Yo guys, Leggy here and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be doing this month's update for my portfolio. So we're back to a weird setup, not the nice white background, and I do apologise for that. And also, before we get into the video, I'd just like to say that Trading212 has brought the referral link back. So if you haven't signed up yet and you're looking for a good platform, definitely recommend Trading212. They're a ever growing platform and really good in my opinion, one of the better ones, and I've tried all of them. So I'll leave my code down in the description, but obviously if you don't want to use it, feel free not to. Also, before we get into the video, obviously this is not investment advice, this is just what I've invested in and I'm going through my journey. So where were we last time we did an update? So last month we were at about £645, and here are the stocks. I'll put a image just here. We had AMD, Apple, Healthier Choices, which has crumbled quite a bit, but luckily we only put like a fiver in. Half that money, easy way to lose half your money that though. We've got Lloyds Banking Group, Rumble, and the S&P 500, which I am going to start adding a lot more to. And I'll explain why in the future. So basically, what have we done? So we've added £200. This is mostly to the pie, which you can find in my series, which I'll put here, but I'll also link in the description. Basically, it's in order to pay daily dividends. So you can see the progress on that. And because I've got a whole series on it, I won't go too deep into it. But yeah, the main of that is just to slowly build it, get the dividends in, get the dividends reinvested. So that's the aim of that series. But with individual stocks, so what am I going to do? So I had a couple free stocks come in from referrals, just a couple mates who signed up. So that was the Lloyds one. So as soon as that went into profit, I did indeed sell that one. I'm not going to lie. And also the same with Apple, because it's already within the pie. And I do really like the stock. And I know people think of Apple as, oh, this is a stock to hold. You know, forever. It's my forever stock, and I do agree. It's a really strong stock. But because it was just a free one, I decided to sell that as well and put it into the daily dividend series. So those two are gone from the portfolio right now. So what does that leave us with? So it leaves us with AMD, Healthier Choices, Rumble, and the S&P 500. So AMD is indeed a free stock as well. I did get lucky with that one, I'm not going to lie. Just full transparency in this video. And I think I will, you know, when it gets into the green, however long that takes, I think I will sell it because I know a lot of people love AMD, and so do I. I think it's a great company, but I think I will sell it. Healthier Choices was an experiment go wrong, so that'll probably be sat there for eternity. I might, you know, take the loss at one point and just reinvest that little bit of money back into the S&P 500 as well. Rumble, I still think it's really strong. So we went from like a 25% gain and we're 25% down. I might use this as a lower entry cost because I still think I use it. I still think the platform is absolutely brilliant. So I might add to that. Although it's a case of like when reallocating your funds, I'm back to, you know, not having the most funds available. So it's just prioritizing what I want the funds to go into. And then the S&P 500, which I actually want to up what I put into this. So why do people tend to actually put money into ETFs? So basically, it contains 500 stocks of S&P 500, top 500 US companies. And what does this do? So it eliminates less, it introduces less risk. So if one company at the top 500 absolutely plummets, because you got 499, it means that the price of it will tank less. Although obviously this means that if a stock goes absolutely bonkers, it means that it won't go up as much as well. Although on average, it tends to get about 8% annualized returns, and this tends to actually beat most retail investors, like 90%. And that's a reason why people should actually look into this sort of investing, because yeah, just by holding individual stocks, people don't tend to actually make profits. So sometimes it's easier to just be like, oh, slow and steady wins the race. And it must be said, why like I do want to look into more growth stocks. I was thinking of doing a growth stock video series maybe. So like I'll do it on alternate parts of a week. So one will be the dividend video, one will be the growth pie. Although I'll need to like obviously do a lot of research for what stocks I would want in that growth pie. But if that's something which interests you, I'm happy to absolutely look into that. But saying that, as you guys probably know, I'm big into crypto myself. Although the market's doing terrible at the moment, I do think there's an absolute long-term investment there. Although a lot of people on Finance YouTube will absolutely disagree with me with that one. So, I know a lot of people have a lot of different opinions on it. But, saying that, that is basically where all my risk is. So I'm happy, to take the losses, get the big gains if it ever comes. But saying that, that's why I'm playing a really, really safe, like, investments within my portfolio at the moment, because, I just want to, like, all my risk is within my crypto, and that's just where I like it. I'm trying to reduce the risk of my portfolios without reducing my crypto holdings. That's basically my aim at the moment. So because like most of my portfolio is crypto, because just chasing for gains, getting into it, and I do love the crypto space. At the moment, I'm trying to still increase my crypto holdings, but I'm also trying to increase my normal stock holdings at a higher rate than crypto. So eventually, it evens out percentage-wise, reducing my risk, basically. So that is my goal. But yeah, guys, that's the update. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and tell me how to improve these videos, what sort of format you like looking. I'm really new to like finance type of videos. I've done YouTube for a while, but finance videos, very new to me. So if there is ways, structure wise, you want me to improve, just tell me and I'll implement it into future videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.